afternoon, everybody. So your technical is going on, but I will introduce, or rather I will tell you something about psychology of trading. Basically, trading is a psychological game only. No matter how much technical you know, no matter how much fundamentals you know, no matter how much skill you have, execution skill, everything, but in the end it all come down to your mindset. That what mindset do you trade with? So traders are different people. Traders are not analysts. Traders are analysts also. Analysts are not traders. So when you are going into the arena of the trading, you have to understand that your whole mindset, your thinking, your attitude, your positivity should change into something else. And if you don't change that, no matter how hard you will work, you will not able to trade. Or even if you trade, you will not able to make money out of it. There are so many people who keep on trading, but since that attitude is little different, I don't say negative, but I can say different. They are not in the right mindset. That is the reason they are not able to make money, and they keep on losing money. There are few things in the market, there are few things in trading which you have to keep an eye on all the time. You have to keep a tab on your mind all the time, that this I should not do, this I should. So first of all, you have to make your set of rules. Even if you will trade with sir's set of rules, he is a different person, you are a different person. Even if you are trading with your husband, your set of rules might be different a little bit. Not all, but little bit. So you have to understand that first you have to, whenever you are learning, now you are learning, you will keep on learning, you keep on reading. But in the end, when it comes down to your systems, you have to make your own system. In the start, you can follow. In for 6 months, 1 year, you can keep on following somebody or following somebody's strategy or system. But in the end, you will make big money when you will make your own set of rules. All the big traders in the world, even in that case, even in India, whoever making money, are individuals and have made them their set of rules by themselves only. They have taken the pointers from so many traders. You can keep on taking pointers. There is no harm in that one. But in the end, you should be able to trade of your own rules. So keep it in mind that today, not today, but 6 months down the line, 1 year down the line, you should have your own set of rules. You will make your own systems. You will trade your own system. And if you keep that goal, one day you will reach there. Otherwise, in the end, you will keep on copy pasting it. Usne bataya. Either you will keep on searching for the tip or the shortcuts. So in the end, if you do not want to do that, shortcuts are never good. Copy paste are never good. It's not, there is no creativity in that one. So you have to come down to that stage where you create your own rules. Let's see, there are some basic rules which one trader should follow, even after creating his all strategy and systems. Trade what he sees and not what he thinks. Now, from the childhood, with our education system, we have been taught to be right, judgmental. Every time you have to be right, you have to be judgmental. In marks, when you are writing the paper, you have to be right 100%. Parents are very happy, 90% parents are very happy, 60% parents are not happy. So you have to be right 90% of the time. And we have developed that habit. But when you come to the trading, you have to see that you are not judging the thing without any understanding. You are seeing the thing, some patterns you see, then only you trade. What happens? We want to trade, that's why we create pattern on that one. Our mind is a very funny thing. It creates the thing which we do not even sometimes see. So it's all about awareness. More awareness you create, the more thing you see clearly. So on the chart, first of all you have to learn the chart reading, and on chart reading also you have to see that you are actually that thing is actually existing on the chart. You are not making that up. Or sometimes you just listen to the conversation. कहाँ जाएगा market when people are अरे ऊपर ही है, अभी तो नीचे जाने का मतलब ही निकला. He has no base whatsoever. But he is so sure that market तो नीचे जा ही नहीं सकता. अब तो बस ऊपर ही ऊपर है. When silver was on 75,000, people were dreaming about 1,30,000, 40,000. पता नहीं क्या-क्या figure market में घूम रहे थे. And people were like buying silver like crazy. Well, sir told once an incident when he was taking a training in Bangalore. One guy came to him end of the session, said, "Sir, you need to help me." I said, "What happened?" कहते आई एम अ वेरी बिग IT owner. He was the CEO of the company. He had created big IT company and it was a very big company. He said, sir, I have purchased silver at 75,000 and I thought it will go up. Now it is up to 60,000 or 55,000 it was at that time. Now what should I do? So I said, but why did you purchase? Because everybody said it will go up. And he did not purchase 1 kilo, 2 kilo, he purchased in 100 kilos kind of thing. And because he had money, he was a big CEO, he was always right when it came to IT field. So he thought he will be right when it comes to trading also. And he purchased huge amount of silver lying in his, and three months down the line, expiry was supposed to come, and what to do? From 75 to 55. 20,000 down, and he was in a big loss because he had that mindset. He did not have that thinking. Okay, I should see the chart first. What chart is saying? Sir said that when it was on the 75, I told people that silver's move has finished. If you listen to my old recordings, I was telling at that time. Nobody believed. Everybody was thinking silver is going up and up and up. But I said, but if you have done this mistake, now I have to face this mistake. So in stock market, if you trade without thinking or without seeing actual position or actual scenario, you can be a big loss. So first see the chart, understand the chart, and actually read the chart without any bias. When क्या होता है, कोई हमें बोल देता है निफ्टी तो ऊपर जाएगा, तो हमारा बायस बन गया कि अभी ऊपर ही जाएगा. सो वी आर सीइंग ऑल पॉजिटिव. अरे यार ये भी बुलिश दिखा रहा है, ये भी बुलिश दिखा रहा है, ये भी बुलिश दिखा. We are not saying कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता. So we have to see without any bias. So throwing out that bias is very important. आपको 10 लोग मार्केट में 10 व्यू देंगे, पर आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है कि अब आपको आता है वो व्यू बनाना या आपकी थिंकिंग अब अलग है. So you have to go to the chart, you have to actually read the chart and trade what you see and not what you think or imagine or you have the bias towards. So that is the main thing for a trader. Have the ability to go against the natural instinct. अब ये natural instinct क्या है? If you have heard the concepts are sometimes teaches wholesale rate and retail rates. So we are into the retailers. हमने बचपन से लेकर आज तक जितनी भी चीजें खरीदी है, whatever we have purchased on the retail price. So retail price somehow हमें बड़ा attract करता है. You know, when you go to the market and if you see some good thing, मोबाइल हो, कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम हो, कोई ड्रेस हो, कोई शर्ट हो, कोई शूज हो, कोई टीवी हो, एनीथिंग, लैपटॉप हो, whenever we are going and buying, we are buying on retail price, and when we are buying on retail price, we are somehow very comfortable with that one. So when wholesale price we are not very happy with. So स्टॉक मार्केट में भी ऐसा होता है, जब प्राइस रिटेल पर आता है ना, जब टॉप पर आता है ना, तो हमें somehow अट्रैक्ट करता है, इतना ऊपर चला गया, अब तो और ऊपर. एंड इन अ मार्केट when it goes up, everybody has that bullish scenario कि अब तो बस 8,000, अब तो 12,000, 12,000, अब तो 16,000. मतलब there is no base on that one, but still people have that scenario, means that mindset कि अभी ऊपर गया तो बस ऊपर ही, कभी नीचे नहीं आ सकता. And at that time you have to see कि that is a retail price. So that is buying on that price is our natural instinct. By default we will go and buy. आप मार्केट में देखिए, जब भी मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा ना, बहुत ऊपर, तो दूध वाला, आपका पेपर वाला या आपके घर के आसपास के लोग, कोई शॉप में खड़े हैं तो वहाँ भी, कोई रेस्टोरेंट में बैठे तो वहाँ भी, everybody is talking about stock market. Everybody wants to invest into stock market suddenly, and everybody is attracted to it, and वो उसी वक्त सब everybody will invest, and after that market comes down, and then when market is on the bottom, nobody wants to go there. Actually that is a wholesale price. At that time you should go there and buy. But when market is down, we are so scared that we don't want to go even near that. कोई stock market की बात भी करता है तो हम कहते हैं बात मत कर यार, गड्ढे में गिरा हुआ यार, क्या भी बोलता. You know, it's our natural instinct. So trader has to develop कि he goes against his natural instinct. Whenever you feel कि by default आप ये करने वाले हैं, stop, wait, think that what is going to happen, what actually the actual scenario is, so that it helps you. They have a simple system. Now in stock market complications are never good. Sir always says कि अगर मुझे कोई चीज़ difficult बनानी है ना, तो मैं तो IITian हूँ. हमें तो सिखाया जाता है कि अगर if you can't convince somebody, you confuse them. कि आप 10 चीजें 25 चीजें इस पर लगा दो, धड़ाधड़, एंड पीपल आर लाइक इम्प्रेस्ड, क्या आता है बंदे को, वाह क्या नॉलेज है, बट इट विल नॉट मेक मनी फॉर यू. You know, some people can do that, but 99% things we had seen कि आप जितना सिंपल रहोगे उतना अच्छा ट्रेड करोगे. जॉन बॉलिंजर ओनली ट्रेडेड इन बॉलिंजर बैंड्स, सिंपल सिस्टम बॉलिंजर बैंड का, and he followed that Bollinger Band and made fortune out of it. So 1 or 2 or 3 you decide your strategies, you made your system, simple system, moving average system, moving average, so super trend system, super trend, PISA. So out of which whatever is you are comfortable with, whatever it fits into your risk scenario, कि भाई ठीक है मैं इतना रिस्क ले सकता हूँ, मूविंग एवरेजेस में इतना रिस्क आता है मैं इतना रिस्क ले सकता हूँ, सुपर ट्रेंड में इतना रिस्क आता है मैं इतना रिस्क ले सकता हूँ, पीसा में इतना रिस्क आता है मैं इतना ले सकता हूँ. And there are so many different strategies will keep on coming, sir will keep on teaching you, but you cannot apply all at once. कभी-कभी we go to the people's house and who are traders and they are trading with us, and when we go to their लैपटॉप और डेस्कटॉप एंड वो बुलाते हैं, सर जरा देखिए मेरी एनालिसिस, आप देखिए जरा एक बार. As a courtesy we have to go there and sir always checks out, and sometimes if you see guys screen it is full of indicator, oscillator, strategy, system, मतलब सब कुछ लगाया हुआ है, फिर धड़ाधड़ जितने इंडिकेटर उसको आता है उसे सब उधर लगा रखे हैं. Not necessary. You will become confused क्योंकि एक इंडिकेटर एक दिखाएगा, दूसरा दिखाएगा, and you are keep on analyzing, and in the end you will not be able to trade right, और end में frustrate होकर कोई trade ले भी लिया तो वो wrong जाएगा, definitely wrong जाएगा. So don't do that. Even if you are learning so many things and even if you are not understanding all things, it's fine. Pick up few things. जितना भी सर सिखा रहे हैं अभी आपको दिख गया सुपर ट्रेंड परफेक्ट, मैं अपना पोर्टफोलियो इस पर करूंगा, डिसाइड दैट, फॉलो दैट. हाउ what's wrong, experiment for 2 months, 1 or 2 months with small money. If it works for you, follow it for the rest of your time. अगर कुछ नया आता है उसके बाद वो उससे पक्के हो जाते हैं, कुछ नया ले आइए, कुछ नया एक्सपेरिमेंट कीजिए छोटे मनी के साथ, वो सक्सेसफुल होता है, bring new one. So you have to take a pick one by one. You cannot take everything and just dump it and then you think कि बस अब मुझे सब आ गया, अब बस पैसा बनना चाहिए. It will not happen like that. So you have to make your own system and simple system. And every big trader has the simple system. Nobody has that complicated systems when it came to make money. Is patient, willingly to wait for the good trading opportunity and then pull the trigger. हमारा क्या होता है, morning में we sit in the front of computer, market खुल गया 9:10, 9:15. Now we are impatient here. Market कहाँ है? अरे ऊपर गया. Oh my God. Jump. मतलब we are ready with the money. पैसा पड़ा है अकाउंट में, सामने सब दिख रहा है, and we are full of judgment कि आप तो मार्केट बस ऊपर ही ऊपर है, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. So the moment we sit there, we want to trade. We want to punch the buttons कि trade ले लो. And it happens with so many traders. We had seen with our own eyes कि कई लोग ऐसा कर देते हैं, सुबह एक ट्रेड लेकर बैठ जाते हैं, and they have no clue why they did it. Maybe they had listened something on the TV yesterday. Maybe they had read something on the newspaper yesterday or some news in their mobile yesterday or in the morning. They had put their bias into their mind, and the moment they sit in front of computer, they just take the trade. और फिर वो ट्रेड पूरा उनके खिलाफ चलता रहता है. And the funny part is they will not even put stop loss for that because they are so confident about their trade that they do not want to put. और stop loss लगा भी दिया, then if starts going against them, they will just remove the stop loss, thinking कि नहीं, if I have thought of this कि ये ऊपर जाएगा तो ये ऊपर ही जाएगा. They are not ready to accept the reality, and in that gone, loss. So wait patiently. You can prepare your trade. For so many times it happens that we keep on preparing our trade, especially when it comes to the portfolio. Me and Yogeshwar, we sit and keep on researching, and sometimes we feel कि यार movement छूट रहा है. No, but till we are not very sure, we do not get into it. It's all right. थोड़ा सा profit छूट भी गया तो opportunities are unlimited in the market. हमारा क्या होता है, हमें लगता है कि बस अभी आज day before yesterday I got a call from guy. Every day I get calls from so many people because I pick up the call, and sir don't talk to anybody other than his students, so I talk to them so that then they can have the view okay, what is training and everything. So some young boy called me. He was doing his CA and he called me, ma'am मैं CA कर रहा हूँ, he's from Pune. but I can't wait because we are going to Pune in May and he wants to come in April here in Andheri and wants to trade with sir immediately after that and wants to make money. Slow. It's okay. I understand you are CA, you are finishing your CA and you want to make money. Then I will lose so many opportunities. I said market was here for so many years. It is here today and it will be here for next many years. So don't worry about opportunities. Don't worry about earning. Take your time. You want to come Mumbai, most welcome. I don't mind. Even if you will attend in Pune, that's fine. It's all right. It's only the gap of 15-20 days, so not a big deal. But if you want to come Mumbai, you are most welcome. But don't be in a hurry. कितना पैसा लेकर आ जाऊँ मैडम? Don't bring any money. No, I have money. It's all right. Even if you have money, don't bring them. Have patience. Have your time. Take your time to learn. Understand the market. If you are in a hurry, you are going to lose some big amount. So don't be in a hurry. Wait. Opportunities are always there. But this is also very important. Once you learn it, once you understand it, once you analyze it, and then don't keep on sitting there. If you see the opportunity, quick thinking, quick execution, you should know. It's both way. Patience to right point, but once that point comes, you have to execute immediately. कई लोगों का ऐसा होता है, they keep on analyzing, and then इतना analyze हो जाता है that they are not able to trade it. So don't get into that mode also. There are two extremes in the market. You see that some people only keep on analyzing, some people only keep on trading without thinking. So don't get into that. Balance is good. Analyze, understand, be ready with your money. When point comes, just trade. Fast, quick trade. That's fine. So patience is a very big virtue in the market. Let go of the marginal trade. What happens if we are sitting in the market now? Sir ने बोला है patiently wait करो. Sir, we are waiting. 10 o'clock हो गया, 10:30 हो गया, कोई trade नहीं आया. Market sideways चला जा रहा है. And we are like क्या market में कोई trade नहीं. Then we see something small opportunity and we jump. Now we know कि risk to reward ratio 1:1 ही है. सर ने बोला 2:1 से कम नहीं होना चाहिए, पर क्या करें? अभी कुछ तो ट्रेड करेंगे ना. We have to trade. Come on. We cannot keep on sitting. हम पूरा दिन बिगाड़ कर यहाँ बैठा हूँ, तो कुछ तो ट्रेड करना ही है. And with that attitude they jump. 1:1 का रेशियो है, धुडुम से stop loss hit होता है. Then revenge starts. Then they want to trade again, and then they again put the trade कि नहीं फिर से जाएगा. Marginal trade है, let go. Marginal trade में कभी कोई पैसा नहीं बनता है. At the most आपका small profit होगा या small आपने stop loss लगाया होगा तो small loss होगा. But it's not necessary to trade if you are sitting there with the marginal trade. So make sure that your all trades are 2:1 only. Probability should be good. If it goes into your direction or not, it depends on your analysis and it depends on the market. But you should take that probability, high probability trades only. 3:1 are better, 2:1 are good, and 4:1 are the best. So you look for the best, come to the better, but at least it should be good. But don't go for like average. 1:1 are average trades, and 90% of time you are going to lose money. Or even if you make, it's very small money, no point. So let go of marginal trade. So you have to differentiate with the marginal trade, good trade, better trade, good and best trade. Does not trade just for excitement. Now ये भी बहुत होता है. हमारे शुरू में एक फ्रेंड थे चंदू भाई करके, तो वो सुबह उठते ही इतने एक्साइट होते थे ना, सर आज तो ये ऑप्शन, सर आज तो ये, और सर कहते थे चंदू भाई आराम से कोई बात नहीं, जल्दबाजी नहीं है. बट ही नेवर यूज्ड टू लिसन. मतलब ही यूज्ड टू सो एक्साइटेड कि उनको उस एक्साइटमेंट में पता नहीं होता था वो क्या ट्रेड कर रहे हैं. इट हैपेंस विद सो मेनी पीपल बिकॉज उनका वो काम है, एंड इन दैट एक्साइटमेंट दे हैव टू ट्रेड. That is a different thing. He lost lots of money because of that. His habit, a pattern. But some people do trade for excitement. Don't go into that trap. Excitement is never good in the market. Just be patient. Even if you catch the big opportunity, good opportunity, just be patient. Be calm. That will help you a lot. Does the daily homework necessary to improve the trading skill? Now homework मतलब क्या है? लोग कहते हैं homework क्या करना है? रोज थोड़ी लिखने बैठेंगे, इतना टाइम थोड़ी होता है. Not that homework. If you have taken today trade and you see that it worked very well, now you go back and revise कि कौन सी strategy अपनाई थी, क्या pointers लिए थे कि जो ये strategy काम कर गई. And tomorrow also you try to, if you will not go back and if you will not analyze your trade, while going at 3:30 or 4 o'clock in the evening, next day तुम्हें याद भी नहीं होगा, आपको याद भी नहीं होगा कि ये क्या किया था मैंने, and you will go in something else. So homework means that whenever you are taking trade, whether it comes to loss or profit, just go back in the evening and analyze it. Understand it कि आपने जो किया सही किया, so tomorrow I have to do the same thing. I have done, if loss happened, okay, what did I do wrong? Find out and don't do it tomorrow. So that is called homework. So you have to, before the market and after the market, you have to see your trades very neutral way कि क्या आज मैंने क्या किया, आज मेरे से क्या अच्छा हुआ, क्या गलती हुई, and both the things you have to keep on noting them down. Understand the importance of risk management. Now this is very important. Market में there are very few people who understand the risk management. Now what is risk management? One boy from Delhi called me, Angad, and he told me, ma'am, I don't know what is happening, पर मेरा बहुत loss हो रहा है, आप कुछ करो. And then sir talked to him, and then he realized that even after doing the course, he was doing risk management calculation wrong, and he was taking big trade without any understanding the RR ratio understand करता था, पर जो ATR का risk management का system है, that he was not following. The sir told him, okay, you are not following the position size. You understand the position size, and because what was happening with him, when he was making profit, it was huge, but then when he was making losses, it was also huge. तो he was saying कि ऐसा कैसे होता है, 2 दिन बड़ा प्रॉफिट आता है, फिर 2 दिन इतना बड़ा लॉस होता है कि पिछले 2 दिन का सारा पैसा गॉन. Why it is happening? Then sir told him that you are increasing your position size very highly. Means you are not taking it consideration कि तुम्हारी position size तुम्हारे risk के हिसाब से ही होनी चाहिए. After that he followed that and he had become very good with that. So you have to understand, when you will do homework, you will understand that also. And position risk management is the only key in the market. Sir always says that you can control your losses. You can't control your profits. You don't know market how much profit market will give you. But if you can control your losses, in the end you will be in the market. You will not be thrown out in the market with losses. So you should know कि ठीक है, मेरे पास इतना पैसा, इससे ऊपर तो मैं लॉस कर ही नहीं सकता हूँ. इससे ऊपर लॉस हुआ तो 2 दिन मैं ट्रेडिंग बंद कर दूंगा. I will just close down and I will introspect कि किया क्या मैंने ऐसा कि मुझे लॉस हो गया. मेरा 2 दिन 3 दिन कंटिन्यू ये भी स्टॉप लॉस भी हिट हुआ है, तो क्यों हुआ? You have to go introspect and do it. See, becoming trader is a huge जिम्मेदारी. It's a huge responsibility. You are working with real money here. You are not working here with some kind of like painting के एक खराब हो गया painting, no problem, you can just cancel it and make it tomorrow. No problem, चलो हो गया. And you are not working with something else in which you can just allow to do mistakes. Here you are working on real money. It's not only your money, it's your family's money, it's your kids' money, it's maybe your parents' old age money. You have to support everybody in your family, and if you keep on playing with this real money without thinking, it's a huge risk. On this risk management, I remember one guy came here in Thane only. On 4th day, at that time we took the class on 3rd floor. So on 4th day he came to me, he said, "Ma'am, I need to talk to sir privately." I said, "Okay sir, क्या बात है?" तो कहते नहीं, मुझे बस सर से privately बात करना है. मैं ठीक है. On 4th day he was coming from Delhi, and I generally when somebody is so serious, I always give them 5-10 minutes. I said, "No problem, you seem to be having big problem, so you can talk to him." So बाजू में 2 रूम है वहाँ पर, जैसे यहाँ 2 रूम है. I arranged the meeting in the next room. Sir was sitting there. Sir talked to him. He told sir कि sir छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम है. सर ने बोला क्या प्रॉब्लम? कहते मैं 58 का हूँ, 2 साल के बाद रिटायरमेंट है, मेरे पास 2 करोड़ रुपया था जो मैंने सारा जमा किया हुआ था सालों की मेहनत से. He was in a good position or something, whatever it may be. और वो सारा का सारा पैसा मैंने खो दिया स्टॉक मार्केट. And that is not the end of the story. He says कि the worst part of it is that my wife does not know. अब मुझे डर लग रहा है क्योंकि वो तो सपने देख रही है कि 1 साल 1.5 साल के बाद मैं रिटायर्ड हो जाऊंगा, फिर हम वर्ल्ड टूर करेंगे, फिर हम अमेरिका जाएंगे, फिर हम यूरोप जाएंगे, जो पिछले 40 साल में जो इच्छाएं बाकी रह गई वो सारी हम पूरी करेंगे. बेटी की शादी आ रही तो बेटी की शादी इतनी जोरों की करेंगे, कि 50 लाख की लाख करोड़ रुपए की शादी करेंगे. हमारे पास तो 2 करोड़ रुपया पड़ा हुआ है. सो शी इज एब्सोल्युटली अनअवेयर दैट आई हैव लॉस्ट मनी. सर ने कहा ठीक है बता दीजिए आपकी वाइफ को। कहते मैं नहीं बता सकता सर, आप बता दीजिए ना प्लीज। ने बोला अगर इतना बड़ा लॉस करूँ तो मैं अपनी वाइफ को ना बताऊँ, आपकी तो क्या बात ही है। सो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी. You have to tell your wife yourself. But think of the lady when she will hear this. Think of the family when they will hear this. Think of the daughter, son who are dreaming on those money or who are like thinking about that money कि इस पैसों से मैं ये करूँगा, मैं ये करूँगी, या wife को या parents जो भी हैं. Think of that. So when you are playing with real money in the market, it's a huge risk involved. So first thing first, never ever big loss. Never ever big loss. After going out of this room, after 4 days, never ever big loss. Write down in your trading room or wherever you are trading, no big loss, stop loss. You have to write it down on the board. So it keep on banging on your head. It should seep down to your subconscious mind कि no big loss. No matter what happens, एक बार नहीं कमाएंगे चलेगा, एक बार डर के रहेंगे मार्केट से चलेगा, पर greedy तो किसी भी हालत में नहीं होना है. Why we lose so much money? Why people lose money in the market? Because they become greedy. What funny thing is that when we put our money in PPF, it gives us 7-8% and we are very happy. When we put our money in FD, we are very happy. 7%, 8%, 9% maximum. बहुत खुश हैं हम, साल का 9% मिलेगा क्या बात है. When we put our money in LIC policy or any other policy for insurance, we are very happy with their 7-8%, 6%, 7-8%. 15 years तक हम पैसे भी देते रहेंगे ना, साल after year, we keep on giving them check very happily. मेरा इंश्योरेंस का चेक give.
पोस्ट ऑफिस में जो MIS है रिटायर्ड के लिए, वो 1 लाख आप रखेगा तो 600 रुपया मिलता है पर मंथ. मांग में 1 लाख रुपया स्टॉक मार्केट लगा, हमको 1000 रुपया चाहिए, तो वो बहुत है.
Right sir, exactly. That is where I am coming back. Coming on that point only, that when we are doing this, but when we come to the market, people comes and says, sir डबल कैसे हो सकता है? 1-2 महीने, अच्छा 2-3 महीने में तो डबल, 1 महीने में नहीं हो सकता, 2 महीने में तो डबल हो जाएगा ना. You know, we come with so much greed. This is nothing but the greed. And when we come with greed, we are bound to lose. There is no other option but to losing the money. If you come with greed here, you are killed. So first thing first you have to control is your greed. इमोशंस में सबसे पहले आपको 2 चीजें कंट्रोल करनी है. एक तो आपका थिंकिंग प्रोसेस कि मैं सही हूं, मतलब जो ये एजम्पशंस है ना हमारे, जो एक आइडियाज है हमारे कि मार्केट तो ऊपर ही जाएगा विदाउट एनी थिंकिंग, मार्केट तो नीचे ही जाएगा, ये जो एक थिंकिंग करने की प्रोसेस है, दैट यू हैव टू कंट्रोल. प्रिडिक्शंस यू हैव टू कंट्रोल. एंड सेकंड थिंग यू हैव टू कंट्रोल इज योर ग्रीड. हियर मैक्सिमम पीपल आर किल्ड बाय ग्रीड. अगर ग्रीड नहीं होती तो इस मार्केट में कोई नहीं जाता था. Everybody would have been survived here. So first thing first, you have to control your greed. So risk management is the key. No big loss. That's the keyword in the market. Know that being wrong can also be profitable. Now, हम तो मतलब गलत हो ही नहीं सकते ना, मतलब you know it's a standard system कि मैं गलत, it's not possible. And in that मैं गलत, not accepting that गलत, मैं गलत वाला कार्यक्रम, because of that we make big losses. If we are in the wrong trade, market is falling down, we are in a long trade and we are like thinking नहीं, it will turn around. देखो ना यहाँ बुलिश अरामी बना दिया, यहाँ बुलिश एंगल्फ बना दिया, अरे ये तो हैमर आ गया. And there is no means there might be bullish arami and bullish engulf and hammer also there, but there is no zone there, there is no level there. In between तो कितना सारा बनता रहता है, but people are still hoping because they are in the long trade, it will go up and market 100 point 200 point नीचे गिर गया and stop loss लगाया नहीं था, lost big money. It happens. So many people it happens. So I am wrong. मेरा सुबह का जो थिंकिंग था या जो मेरा सुबह का सिनेरियो था दिमाग में मार्केट के बारे में, वो गलत था. ये एक्सेप्ट करना बहुत बड़ी बात है. वो एक्सेप्ट क्यों करना है? क्योंकि वो एक्सेप्ट करने से आपका पैसा बच जाएगा. You can do all the activity that will save your money in this market. You should do all the activity that save your money in the market. If by not taking the trade it is saving your money, don't take trade. If you are not sure of that trade and by not taking that trade you will save money, don't take that trade. By putting the stop loss, if you will not get big loss, put the stop loss. So whatever activity is necessary to making no loss or small losses, do that. There is absolutely, even if you are feeling that मैंने बोल दिया था सुबह के यार टाटा स्टील तो ऊपर ही जाएगा, अब नीचे जा रहा है, मतलब दोस्त को बोल दिया है, दोस्त ने अपने भाई को बोल दिया, भाई ने अपने दोस्त को बोल दिया, पता नहीं कितने लोगों को बोल दिया है टाटा स्टील तो बुलिश है, और फिर टाटा स्टील बेरिश हो गया, एंड यू आर लाइक कि भाई अब क्या करूं. So accept it कि your thinking was wrong, your reading was wrong, you did something wrong analysis. It's all right, happens, we are humans, we can be wrong, and जितना जल्दी accept करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा पैसा सेव करेंगे. That's the simplest thing. Essential characteristics. Now this is very important. These are some things are very important. Like train continuously. Now हमारा क्या होता है? We came here in 4 days. Then after that we will do 6 months of online. I will tell you the model कि कैसे कैसे आप करेंगे. And after doing that we think now खत्म. अब तो मुझे सब आ गया. Now I am done. आज की डेट में भी every day Yogeshwar reads. Every day some or the other thing, one or the other book he keep on reading. Once a week एक बुक खत्म हो ही जाती है. वीक में एक बुक खत्म करना, this is target. 3 to 4 books in a month is his target. He keeps on reading. When he is traveling, he is reading. When he is flying, he is reading. When he is sitting home, he is reading. When he is in the morning, he gets up, do his yoga, meditation, everything, and then he is reading.
Right now, I'm reading Brian.
Every moment he will get. You think that he is playing on the computer or mobile? No, he is not playing. He is not F-booking or he is not WhatsApping. Nothing. He is reading all the time. One article, one book, other book. He will keep on reading. I understand कि हम as an Indian एक बार कॉलेज में से बाहर निकलने के बाद हम लोगों को किसी को भी रीडिंग की हैबिट नहीं होती है. 99 लोगों को it's a problem for us to read. It's not only for us. In all around the world it has becoming like that due to computer and mobiles. But make it a habit. Even if you are not able to read books, I understand. Keep on reading articles. Good traders article. Make sure that not in a week, at least a month, 2 months में तो एक book खत्म कर सकते हैं. So make sure before sleeping, today my target, make the target 3 pages per day. That's all I can read. उससे ऊपर ज़्यादा read करूँगा तो सो जाऊँगा. तो better है कि 3 पढ़ के सो. So make that habit. More you will read, more success it will come. So, every successful person in the world are reader. Every, no matter who. They have to be a reader. They have to be knowledgeable. They have to understand the systems of whatever field they are in. They should understand everything about it. They keep on reading. They keep on reading of their own field. It's not necessary that everybody is reading stock market only. No, जो जिस field में है, उस field के बारे में continue reading करता रहता है. Then only they can grow. The growing is only by reading. So make sure that you read. I understand that you are busy, you are working, kids, house, everything is there, but 2-3 pages a day can be done. Not a big deal. So make a small target, but make it. Adaptability. Now this is very difficult sometimes for some people. They can't adapt to the situation. They can't adapt to the market. They can't adapt to the falling market, or they can't adapt to the rising market. Because they are bull, they can't adapt to the bearness of the market. Because they are bear, they can't adapt to the bullness of the market. But you have to become, as a trader, you have to become like water. Water will go, whichever shape the vessel has, water will come into that shape. So in the end, you have to become like water. Wherever you go, just become like that. So wherever market is going, adapt to that. इसलिए आपके पास 3-4 strategies, 3-4 system तैयार होने चाहिए कि चलो sideways market हो गया, I will trade sideways market. Trending market है, become good trending system लगाओ, and then you can make. It will take some time for you to zero down on everything. You have to, when you are become an engineer or graduate or whatever, it took so many years for you to reach there. Even after getting into the job, आपका right increment या आपका right जो rising होना शुरू हुआ वो, then you work, first you work for 5 to 10 years as it is. After that, at one good point, you started realizing different things. With experience, you have earned everything. So with this, in this market, you have to have good experience, and the more experience you have, the more adaptability you have, the more you keep on training yourself, the better you keep on getting. So that is very important. Identify a signal or market opportunity. Now, this is also very important. You cannot be so vague. You have to pinpoint on the your system should be कि आपको वो एक trade देता रहे. You cannot be so vague कि अभी मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा, मैं मतलब क्या अभी करूँ पता नहीं चल रहा. नहीं. You have to be very focused. Opportunities are endless, but there are some very good opportunities which you have to catch. You should catch. अगर आपने अपॉर्चुनिटी कैच नहीं करी तो नहीं चलेगा. So you have to identify good trades and make it a habit to identify good trades. In the start भले आपने बहुत अच्छा आइडेंटिफाई किया, उसके बाद आपने सिर्फ 25 स्टॉक ही खरीदे because your risk management does not say, but at one point of time after 2 years down the line, 3 years down the line, you have to buy 250 stock of that thing so that you make good profit. So you have to zero down on the thing. Signals read करना, candlesticks are only for reading signals, and the more you understand candlestick patterns, systems, there are so many systems into that. Indicator, oscillator will teach everything, and you have to catch the signals with all those things. React decisively. Now don't react like what happens कि हमने एक signal देखा, हमने एक move देखा, we had seen that, and we are so excited, very happy to see that move or trade that we don't remain, sometimes कि excitement में इतना हो जाता है कि एक आध चीज छूट जाती है. React decisively. It's okay. Good trade is there, no problem. React calmly. Feel good whether he wins or loses. Now lose में कैसे अच्छा feel हो सकता है? That's good. Win में तो everybody will feel very happy. How can you feel good in loss? When you feel good in loss, that means you have put stop loss there. When a stop loss it hit in the afternoon, at 10 o'clock, and then after that it went down to 200 point, you are very happy. क्या बात है, बच गया. That बच गया feeling is very good, and you should have that. Often you should have that बच गया feeling. I always say कि इस मार्केट में बच गया feeling is should have. अगर आपके पास वो बच गया feeling नहीं आई बार, that means you are doing something wrong, और आपके बड़े लॉस हो जाएंगे कभी. आपके प्रॉफिट हो रहे हैं अभी, इसलिए बच गया फीलिंग नहीं आ रही है, that's good. बट अगर बहुत लंबे समय तक बच गया फीलिंग है तो एक दिन ऐसा आएगा धुड़ुम से सब गिर जाएगा. एंड इट हैपेंस विद पीपल कि वो 4 दिन 5 दिन बहुत अच्छा पैसा बनाते हैं और फिर इतने ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाते हैं कि स्टॉप लॉस नहीं लगाते हैं. एंड देन वन गुड डे इट्स ऑल गॉन. नो मैटर हाउ गुड ड्राइवर यू आर, A1 ड्राइवर मींस F1 ड्राइवर हो या A1 ड्राइवर हो, जो भी ड्राइवर्स जो करते हैं वो आप रेसिंग में चला रहे हो, ब्रेक इज कंपल्सरी फॉर एवरीबॉडी. इवन इफ यू आर ड्राइविंग अ बाइसिकल, ब्रेक इज कंपल्सरी. विदाउट ब्रेक तो यू कैन नॉट इवन सिट ऑन द बाइसिकल. कार की तो बात ही का है, फ्लाइट की तो बात ही का है. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर स्टॉप लॉस इज लाइक अ ब्रेक. जस्ट इमेजिन जब भी आपको स्टॉप लॉस लगाने का मन ना करे ना, या आपको लगे ना कि अब मैं स्टॉप लॉस निकालूं, जस्ट इमेजिन दैट यू आर सिटिंग इन अ कार विदाउट ब्रेक. वो एक फीलिंग आएगी ना कि घबराहट हो जाएगी कि आप हाईवे पर भाग रहे हैं, आपकी गाड़ी 80 पर भाग रही है, 100 पर भाग रही है, ब्रेक नहीं है. जस्ट इमेजिन, इमेजिनेशन विल स्केयर यू, एंड स्कैरी ट्रेडर इज अ गुड ट्रेडर. Imagination should scare you, and scary trader is always a greedy trader is a very bad trader, but scary, fearful trader is a good trader. So be scary. It's all right. There is no harm. भाई अपना पैसा है, आदमी को डरना चाहिए. मेरा पैसा चला गया तो क्यों दूं मार्केट को? You have to be fearful. If you are not fearful, मार्केट तो लेने ही बैठी हुई है. यहाँ तो जितना आएगा वो अंधा कुआं है, जितना घुसेगा उतना घुसता चला जाएगा. No matter what amount of money you have. लाख 2 लाख करोड़ 2 करोड़, no amount will survive here if you are not scary. Sir went to Surat once, and Surat people are very rich people, diamond merchants. So sir asked who had done the losses, and everybody was like yeah, and sir said it's not a proud thing, and people are like मैंने 2 करोड़ खाया, दूसरा कहता है मैंने 3 करोड़ खाया. Status symbol. You have to understand there it is status symbol, and people are, sir कहते हैं, वो कहते हैं सर खो गया, अभी क्या करें सर, बताओ, चला गया, पता नहीं था कुछ भी. बट दैट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग. यू शुड बी स्कैरिंग, बट जस्ट बिकॉज यू हैव मनी, अनलिमिटेड मनी, दैट डजंट मीन दैट यू कीप ऑन लूजिंग दैट मनी. यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. सो सर पूछते कि ओके, जब आप ट्रेड ले रहे थे, आपने इतना पैसा पाया, आप क्या सोच रहे थे? कहते सर सोचते तो खोते थोड़ी, सोचना ही बनता था. सो डोंट. Be fearful. Scary trader is a good trader. Greedy trader is a bad trader. Always remember this. और ये सब टैगलाइन है ना, अपने ट्रेडिंग रूम पर है ना, ऊपर लिख कर रखिए. One tagline, keep on writing. Greedy trader is a bad trader. I am not a bad trader. I do not want to be a bad. Scary trader is a good trader. Okay, that's good. Then I should be scary all the time. डर लगना चाहिए. मार्केट से भी थोड़ा थोड़ा डर के रहेंगे तो it's good. No problem. Demonstrate self-confidence. Now self-confidence होना भी जरूरी है. Just because you are scary doesn't mean that you should lose your confidence. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके एनालिसिस कहाँ सही है. अगर आपको आता है तो आता है. No matter what other people will tell you. What happens? आप सीख कर गए, आपको सब आता है, आपने अच्छी एनालिसिस भी करी, then एंड बिकॉज फ्रेंड केम इन और बोल दिया कि अब ये नीचे जाएगा, देन यू आर स्केयर्ड कि यार अब ये नीचे चला गया, इसने बोल दिया है, अब ये नीचे गया तो इफ इट गोज डाउन देन व्हाट? डोंट, never ever listen to others opinion. If you start listening to others opinion, you will lose your self confidence. Make your mistake, but it should be your own mistake only. You cannot make others mistake by yourself. आपने दूसरे की सुनी, आपने टाटा मोटर लॉन्ग नहीं किया, शॉर्ट कर दिया उसकी सुन के, एंड देन इट वेंट अप एंड यू सेड यार मैंने तो एनालिसिस किया था ऊपर जाएगा, या क्यों सुनी? नो, डोंट लिसन टू अदर्स.
चेंज हो गया सर.
Oh, sorry. Exercise is independence. Independence is very important in the market. Do not become dependent. We are dependent on others. Yeah, तुझे क्या लगता है कौन सा स्टॉक आज अच्छा है? You know that is our basic instinct. आप कोई अच्छा, you know whenever we go out, when we meet people, when we meet relatives, everybody is योगेश्वर कुछ बता दो ना, तो दो तो बता दो, एक तो बता, किस में डाल दो पैसा, क्रूड बता, कहाँ लगता है कहाँ? Like people are like बता, कुछ तो बता दो, मतलब एक शब्द सुनने मिल जाए, एक नाम सुनने मिल जाए तो हम बस उसमें माला माल हो जाए. It never happens like that. हम बता भी देते हैं दो चार लोगों को, दो चिक जो स्टॉक हमारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, हमारे रिलेटिव्स हैं, we tell them कि ओके चल इसमें डाल दे पैसा, no problem. But it's only two things. So no tip service anymore. अभी इतना सीखने के बाद तो no tip service. So become independent. It's very good thing. Your own अपनी मिस्टेक से अगर थोड़ा बहुत लूज भी किया, no big loss, that is the for sure. बट छोटा मोटा आगे पीछे करते करते सीख जाएंगे. एटलीस्ट 2 years down the line, 3 years down the line, you will be very confident कि नहीं मुझे आता है. And that feeling is very good. When you know you are not dependent on anybody for choosing your stock, for investment, for making a portfolio, for doing intraday, it's a great feeling to have. You exactly know what you are doing and it's a great. आप अपनी जॉब में किसी पर डिपेंडेंट नहीं है ना, आपने अपनी वाइफ को या अपने फ्रेंड को पूछ के रोज जॉब नहीं करते ना कि अब ये अकाउंट लिखना है कैसे लिखूं, या ये कोड लिखना है कैसे लिखूं. इफ यू आर डिपेंडेंट यू विल लूज योर जॉब. You are totally independent there, then only you are growing there. In market also, when you become independent, then only you will grow. Dependent people can't grow much. They can make short-term profits or losses, big losses. Refusing to take a big loss. Now this is very important. No big loss. It's a हमने हमारे जो पहले हम लोग ना हमारा ऑफिस रखते थे तो वहाँ कई लोग मिलने आते थे, तो सर की कैबिन के बाहर एक वेटिंग जैसा है, तो वहाँ हमने बड़ा बोर्ड पर लिख दिया स्टॉप लॉस. तो जो भी आए वहाँ बैठा है तो उसको वो स्टॉप लॉस कंटिन्यू दिखना चाहिए, मतलब एवरीबडी शुड कीप ऑन, एंड द मोर यू सी दैट मोर इट कीप ऑन गोइंग इनटू योर हेड. तो हमारे डीलर्स हैं, जो भी लोग हैं, दे कीप ऑन सीइंग दैट स्टॉप लॉस साइन, बट दैट एरिया इज समहाउ आइसोलेटेड, वहाँ कोई मतलब होता नहीं है. एंड हमारे तो इसमें सब सर्वेलेंस कैमरा लगे हुए हैं. तो फनी थिंग हैपेंस, आई एम सिटिंग इन द कैबिन and whoever by waiting in the corridor, the moment he becomes alone, you know what first thing they used to do? Everybody, 80% people had done that. They will just go, pick up the duster and try to push it. Push it, and we have written it with the permanent marker there, so it can't be rough. But we were so surprised to note that every other person that comes there is trying to rub that. That means they don't like it. Yeah, this is not good thing. As a common man, if you are doing that, that's not a good thing. So you have to remember stop loss is a good thing. Generally people feel कि stop loss और वो hammer होता रहे ना तो अच्छा नहीं लगता है, इसलिए they used to rub that. So don't do that. No big loss लिख कर रखो तो वो नहीं होगा. Greedy trader is a bad trader लिख कर रखो तो वो नहीं होगा. So you have to keep on writing that. So refusing to take big loss is the biggest virtue of a trader. Keep that in mind. Clear trading goals. Now we do not have any trading goals. You know, अब कोई आते हैं तो आप पूछते हैं कितना, पता नहीं अभी ला रहा हूँ लाख रुपया, आपको क्या लगता है थोड़ा मतलब डबल हो जाएगा क्या, मतलब ट्राई करते हैं चलो. Don't do that. It never happens कि डबल हो जाएगा. First of all, second of all, if you do not have clear goals, you will not reach anywhere. If you want to go from here to Mumbai, Nariman Point. Now if you have that clear goal that I want to go to Nariman Point and sit there on the seashore, then only you will go there and sit. You will just sit in the train. I don't know where to go. पता नहीं जहाँ चलो हो सकता है थाने से कल्याण जा रही हो सकता है थाने से मुंबई जा रही हो. I don't know. Then you will not reach anywhere. So have to have clear goal. In trading also, make your goals very clear. Write them down. कि मुझे इतना पैसा इतने में से तो बनाना है. 10% इस महीने से मेरा बनना शुरू होना चाहिए. इस 10% का ये गोल है मेरा. And if you want to start doing that, it will happen. Clearly understanding and accepting the risk. This is very important. We already know that risk management is the key. Always stop loss and trailing stop loss. Now this is also a key. Trailing stop loss and stop loss are very important in the market. No dependence on others by coexistence with the other traders. Now don't be dependent, but you can coexist. We make this WhatsApp group for that also, because all of you are going to become a trader. You can help each other. There is no harm in that one. You can tell each other, but don't become the preacher in that one. कई लोग क्या अपना फिर ज्ञान बताने लगते हैं कि ऐसा नहीं कर, ऐसा कर, ऐसा नहीं कर, ऐसा कर, आज ये स्टॉक अच्छा है, आज वो स्टॉक अच्छा है. Don't do that, and don't listen to that also. So become independent, because we generally what happens with us, when we know, we want to tell people. It's all right. We can tell somebody is not knowing that. You can teach once, twice. No harm. But daily feedback will harm you also and harm him also, others also. So don't develop that habit of giving tips every day. No obsession to be right. This is very important. Right होना जरूरी नहीं है market में. You can be wrong and you can be stable. If you are wrong, your stop loss can save you. Strong emotional control. This is very important. इमोशनल कंट्रोल. इमोशन कंट्रोल में एक ही कंट्रोल आपको ज्यादा करना है, वो है ग्रीड कंट्रोल. Whenever greed hits you, just be aware. Seriousness to take it full time as a business. So be serious that one day you can take it as a business and full time. Part time also is good. Making portfolio is wonderful item. You have to start making portfolio right away. Once you go out of this room, on 5th day itself, we will suggest you that you start making your portfolio. Don't wait for next 2, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. No. Next day you can start making it. But take it as a full-time business लेने की, sooner or later you start doing that. Keep it in mind कि once in after few years, maybe not now, after 5 years down the line, after 10 years down the line, your goals are that you want to become a full-time trader. There is no harm in that. And if you do not want to ever become a full-time trader, it's fine. Part-time also, but treat it like a business. Don't treat it like a just trading activity. These are barriers of a successful trader. Refusing to take a small loss. And if he does not take small loss, that means he is going to take a big loss. No trading goals. Randomly trade कर रहे हैं. पता नहीं क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा. Not understanding the risk. This is very common in the market. When they take the trade, they do not understand the risk. A guy called me last month, 2-3 months ago, from Bangalore, and he called me and he told me that I need to talk to sir. I said, sorry sir, sir does not talk to anybody, because I get 20-25 calls. I get other colleagues of mine get 20-25 every day. So in total 50-100 calls we get, and if sir start talking to everybody, it's practically not possible. You talk to me, I will try to solve your problem. He said, no, I need to talk to sir only. Shankar, you tell me. First of all, you tell me. If I will feel, no, you need to talk to sir, I will definitely give my phone to sir. Don't worry for that. Then he told me, he said, as ma'am, I'm 36. I had taken 20 lakhs of loan 6 months, 1 year down the line. And I have put that 20 lakhs into stock market. And today I have lost everything. I do not have any money. And the worst part is that he has to pay the EMI of that loan of 20 lakh. Now he said, मैंने ना किसी तरह से अपने दोस्तों को request करके, parents are very worried because he's 36, not married yet, and parents are worried कि what will happen to him. He's paying, he's earning whatever he's earning, out of which 80% goes for the loan, 20-50% comes home, taxes भी उसमें देने बाकी हैं, and he's an IT guy, he's in Bangalore. So he said, now what to do? तो कहता मैंने ना किसी तरह से whatever I had done, but I have collected 2 lakh rupees now. I want to talk to sir that he should teach me like that with this 2 lakh, next 6 months I should make 20 lakhs. And the sir, not possible. आपको सर क्या मना करेंगे, मैं मना करती हूँ, not possible. And he was like about to cry. He was so desperate. He was so, मतलब I felt कि अगर मैं इसको बात नहीं करने दूँगी तो he might commit suicide. He was talking so vague and crazy. I was scared. I got scared. I said, okay, you hold, don't cry. Sir is sitting in next room. I will just go and give him the phone. I went to sir. I told him everything that this is the case. You talk to him. Sir made him understand, and sir told him that is not possible. 2 लाख रुपए से किसी भी हाल में 6 महीने में 20 लाख तो पहले नहीं होगा. तो कहते ठीक है 20 लाख नहीं होगा तो कितना होगा. सर ने कहा कुछ भी नहीं होगा. because you do not have the skill. You are totally in unstable mind. You are totally don't understanding the situation, gravity of the situation. You will lose this 2 lakhs also. कहता सर कुछ ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटेजी बता दीजिए, I will just make the money. सर ने उसको पूछा, where did you lose the money? In options. All gone. And still he's not understanding that he is doing something wrong. So don't get into that. Losing big money is a very big pain, and never ever go to that pain. Never ever get that pain, because that pain will never go away from your mind, no matter how much hard you will work. So don't do that way. Those are the people who are not understanding the risk. Those are the people who get into the market without understanding the risk. See, here everybody has money. Entering into this market, first thing you need is money. So once money comes into your hand, or you bring money in the market, that's not your power. That's not your positive point. Money, everybody has money. Please understand, in this market, without money, nobody can enter. हमारा प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, मैं 2 लाख रुपया लेकर आया हूँ, तो हमें लगता है कि बस अब तो मतलब मुझे 20 लाख लेकर आया हूँ. That means now I have to earn, because I have bought 20 lakhs into this market. Everybody has got some money into this market. Money is not the criteria to trade. The criteria to trade is your skill. And until unless you do not have skill, you can't trade into this market. No stop loss and no trailing stop loss. People lose money when they do not put stop loss and no trailing stop loss. They do not have concept of trailing stop loss. So many people dependence on others. रोज टीवी देखते हैं तो guy who lost 2 crore, how did he lost? Every day सुबह उठ के एक ही काम, टीवी देखो और वो जो बोल रहा है वो ट्रेड करो. टीवी देखो. हमने कहा ठीक है सर, आपने थोड़े दिन किया 2 करोड़. जस्ट थिंक, मतलब सोचकर हमें डर लगता है कि 2 करोड़, चलो 5-10 लाख आपके पास 2 करोड़ का, आपने 5-10 लाख लूज किया, उसके बाद आप अटक क्यों नहीं गए? लालच, रिवेंज. लालच एंड रिवेंज will kill you in this market. Don't do that, please. Obsession to be right, this will also kill you. No emotional control, that is the biggest enemy. No seriousness to take it as a full-time business. Be serious. Market में आए हैं, absolutely serious. It's a serious business. आपके business में, no matter what business you are doing, if you do mistakes continuously, your business will close down. No matter what business you are running. टाटा जैसी टाटा कंपनी मिस्टेक्स कर कर के आज किस कगार पर खड़ी है? लाखों के लॉस के कगार पर खड़ी है. So don't do that. Business is, and if it is a business, take it, play with the business rules only. The way you can run a business, run this, your trading. Refusing successful trading, refusing to take a big loss, clear trading goals, understanding the risk, stop loss and trading stop loss, no dependence on other, no obsession to be right, total emotional control and seriousness to take it as a business. Professional traders के ये गुण है, and you have to understand all this. Stock market trading. Trading is, now these are very important. Trading is a risky business, but it's a business. When you come with this attitude, business का पहला रूल है buy in wholesale, sell in retail. Profit के बगैर काम नहीं चलता है. If you go to your office and your boss says कि okay you work here, अगर मेरे पास पैसा आएगा तो मैं तुझे दे दूँगा. Try, काम तो कर. तेरा काम अच्छा लगा, कुछ क्लिक हो गया तो मैं तुझे पैसे दे दूँगा. Will you work there? Nobody. You are working there because it is promising you to give you consistent money. How can you go to the market without that consistency? You try करता, लाख रुपया लेकर गया हूँ, and when you go to the job, first thing you are judged is on your skill, on your knowledge. Here when you come to the market, you do not either do not have skill or you do not have knowledge, and still you come and expect कि आपको पैसा मिलेगा. How? Not practically possible. It's a business, running as a business, and then you will earn. Everybody is a trader, nobody is an investor. Now this is very important. हमें लगता है कि हमने आज खरीदा. There are so many people. One of the people we staying here in Meadows. So many big people are staying there, and keep on meeting us. One guy met us. So in the garden we were walking or doing something, I don't know, some place. So we were sitting, and then he came to know, oh Yogeshwar sir knows. They know, so many people knows. So he said, अच्छा सर क्या लगता है मार्केट कहाँ कैसे है? तो सर मैंने ठीक है आप. सर मेरा 50 लाख का पोर्टफोलियो है. उसने कहा ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. कितने स्टॉक है? कुछ है 400-500 स्टॉक. 400-500 स्टॉक. कहते सर मैंने तो जो मिला वो सब खरीदता गया. मतलब जिसने जो बोला, एंड ही वाज क्वाइट ओल्ड गाय, नॉट वेरी Mehrotra, and talking karte, then he got the concept, okay, this is not right, he should slim down his portfolio and things like that, and then he joined our course, and then he has slimmed down to 50-60 stock and all these things. But everybody he thought कि buy, hold and pray, done. I am done. I am an investor. मुझे सीखने की क्या जरूरत है? बाय कर लिया है, होल्ड किया है, कभी ना कभी तो ऊपर चला जाएगा. बाद में फिर पता चला कि उन 400-500 स्टॉक में से 80% स्टॉक तो नीचे ही गए थे, ऊपर गए ही नहीं थे, क्योंकि स्मॉल कैप, मिड कैप कई बार बिजनेस बैठ जाते हैं. एंड व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग ऑन टिप, दे 90% टाइम, 99% टाइम दे डोंट वर्क. एंड बट ये बात दिमाग में रखना जरूरी है कि इवन दो यू आर अ लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर, आपने पोर्टफोलियो बनाया है, बट इन द एंड यू आर अ ट्रेडर. क्योंकि जब तक बेचेंगे नहीं तब तक प्रॉफिट आएगा नहीं, और जब तक प्रॉफिट नहीं आया ये तो रिस्क है ही कि वो जीरो हो जाए. सो यू हैव टू कीप दैट एटीट्यूड दैट एवरीबडी इन दिस मार्केट इज अ ट्रेडर, नॉट अ सिंगल पर्सन. नो मैटर आपने अपना विप्रो लेकर 25 साल रखा, इन द एंड जब तक आप विप्रो बेचेंगे नहीं, आपको वो पैसा आएगा, आपके अकाउंट में आएगा नहीं. एंड जब तक वो, दैट मीन्स यू आर अ ट्रेडर. इट्स नॉट अ फिक्स्ड इनकम कि आपका एफडी का पैसा नहीं है कि जो आज डाला 5 साल के बाद फटाक से एफडी आपके अकाउंट में, आप कुछ करें न करें आ जाए. दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ बिल्डिंग अ गुड फाउंडेशन. Since you have come here, your foundation is becoming very good. Please follow all these rules, because this will make your foundation. This will give you the support to raise up on that. If you want to grow, this will become your support. So please carry all these thoughts and all these systems into your mind and work on them. Necessary of rule-based approach. Now this is very important for trading. So many people trade without any kind of rule. In our training also, if you see, sir has made small rules. अपनी जगह बदलो. It's a rule. Everybody has to follow that. Even if you don't like it, कि मुझे तो सबसे अच्छी जगह मिली है. No comfort zones. Rule मतलब rule आपको follow करने हैं. ये सिस्टम है मतलब ये सिस्टम है, ये सिस्टम फॉलो करना है. If you start doing that in your house, if you do not work with rules, will your mother or will your wife will be happy? No. You have to have some rules. Untold rules. कि इतने बजे उठना है, इतने बजे ये करना है, इतने बजे ये करना है, इतने बजे. रैंडम लाइफ जिएंगे तो nobody will like it. You will become like a hippie. You can't live proper life if you do not have the rules. Small rule. हमें ध्यान में भी नहीं होता कि ये हमारे रूल है. रेस्टोरेंट में जाने के एक रूल है, वहाँ बैठकर खाने के एक रूल है. रेस्टोरेंट में हम घर की तरह ऐसे दाल चावल नहीं खाते, हम स्पून से मैनर्स में खाते हैं. Those are rules. We follow them. When we are traveling in a public transport, we follow the rule. When we are driving, we follow the rule. So what's so big deal when we ask you to follow the rule in the stock market? People have become very offended. Rule क्या है यार? ऐसे नहीं होता है. नहीं. You have to follow the rule. If you do not follow, and tell me one place where you do not follow the rule and yet you can do good. Not a single place. Be it a school, even nursery kid, even kindergarten kid has to follow the rule. And that is the reason we put them in the kindergarten and nursery, because he is not listening us in the house. So we send them कि उसको सुनने की आदत पड़े, उसको ये रूल फॉलो करने की, उसको पढ़ने की आदत पड़े. That is the reason why we are saying. And when we come here and we do not follow the rule, how we can be successful in that case? Not at all. So following the rule is the key. Trading is simple. That is also, write down that. Trading is simple. Simple system, simple strategy. Whatever you like, keep on writing those headlines on your trading. Wherever you are trading on that, keep on writing those headlines. Trading education is the key to success. It's very difficult in India to tell people that for trading you should go with the education. Say, I am Gujarati, no, we are MBAs, we are born MBAs. What is MBA? Manne baddu avade. That is the base thing of Gujarati. I know, I'm being a Gujarati, I know my ego, that I used to be like MBA, manne baddu avade. So in stock market I never was ready to learn. Yogeshwar is there, so I learned a lot, so many things. So you have to come out of that. Training and learning is compulsory. In any field you cannot be successful without learning and training. So keep on yourself training. You do not trade stocks, you trade people. Now this is also very important, as we see that even candlesticks are people's emotions. See, everything here is emotion, and the funny part or the best part is that you have to take emotional rationally. Emotions you have to take rationally. You have to think about emotion rationally or logically. So when you start doing that, you will become successful. You come to stock market to make money. This is the baseline. Now this line also you should write down somewhere. I am here to make money. अगर मेरा ज्ञान मतलब लोगों को पसंद नहीं आया, नो प्रॉब्लम. मेरी टिप्स मतलब मेरा जो सोचने का तरीका लोगों को पसंद नहीं आया, नो प्रॉब्लम. लोग समझते हैं कि मैं तो मतलब बेवकूफ हूँ जो पढ़ता रहता हूँ, सीखता रहता हूँ, स्टॉक मार्केट में क्या सीखने की जरूरत है. नो. इन दैट इफ यू आर मेकिंग मनी, एवरीथिंग इज राइट. बाय योर लर्निंग इफ यू आर मेकिंग मनी, एवरीथिंग. एंड बाय योर एनालिसिस, मतलब with your all your ज्ञान, all your knowledge, all your analysis, all your tags, if you are not making money, no use. Stock market is for making money. That's all. Any other field, maybe painting करेंगे आप तो आपकी कला है वहाँ, या आप डांस करेंगे तो आपकी कला है वहाँ, या आप एक्टर हैं तो कला है वहाँ. तो वहाँ पर भी please understand, if an actor is not making money, he is not successful. We judge them कि इसकी मूवी 300 करोड़ हुई, इसकी मूवी 500 करोड़ हुई. In the end, everybody will judge you on your money. A painter is a very big painter when his painting are getting sold within 2 lakhs and 3 lakh rupees. अगर उसकी पेंटिंग कोई खरीदता नहीं है, उसकी कला की भी कीमत नहीं होती है. So in the end, everything zero down to money. This world is like that, and this field is only made for money. So in this field, if you are coming, the tagline is you are here to make money. So you do all the activities that makes money. If activity is bounding you, means stopping you to making money, leave that activity. If somebody is stopping you to make money, leave that thing, leave that person, leave that team, leave that system. If one system you have made, you are very happy कि क्या system बना दिया, पर 3 महीने के बाद वो पैसा नहीं बना रही है, leave it, take me. So these are all the rules, systems by which you can make money in the market. And be very decisive, be patient, be calm, keep on training, keep on reading, keep on learning, and in the end you will become a successful trader. These are all the successful, and you are here to become a successful. We wish you all of you that all of you should become a very successful trader. So this is the psychology of trading. Please take it very seriously, even though हम इसको कोई भी महत्ता नहीं देते हैं. थिंकिंग को, सोचने की तरीके को, वी डोंट वेरी बॉदर अबाउट इट. वी थिंक कि मुझे टेक्निकल एनालिसिस आ गया, मुझे फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस पता चल गया, मुझे एग्जीक्यूशन आ गया, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, आई विल मेक मनी. इन द एंड योर साइकोलॉजी विल play a big part, big part. So be very aware about yourself, your thinking, your attitude, and your training, everything. So all the best to you. And